Okay, but by popular demand for our homework practice with the ongoing class, this is the motif that I came up with for that little lick in the key of F for Amarillo by morning. And we'll talk about the right hand technique. I'm block chording it. Bottom three strings. Top three strings. What I'm doing there is, I'm doing a B flat form, okay? But because the melody has now gone to the E string, I'm not playing the A string. So I'm getting lazy and I'm just not doing the whole bar. So here's a B flat, you see that? I'm just playing what looks like an E minor form. Right there, starting on the first fret, because I'm not playing the A string. The melody line went to the E note. And then I slide that form, I skip a fret, slide that form to the third fret. And we have that beautiful chord melody. I'm going to move in a little closer so you can see. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Next week, we'll talk about that right hand technique. Get that down for you guys. That should help.